that brown you used?
That's Indian red with
Okay.
Indian red with and mission gold. I'm using mostly mission gold and Daniel Smith.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah. वैसे सब अच्छे होते हैं कलर, कोई बात नहीं है, लेकिन देर आर कलर्स which looks better when it gets dry, and there are colors which becomes dull when it gets dry, so that depends on the sheet also. Hmm.
Not enjoy free space. मेरे से करेंगे
फ्री करना पड़ेगा स्पेस जब डन. Anusha, show.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, so your three steps I can right, middle, and left. In the sky area, it should be little bit be having the relationship connection.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. What should I do?
Yeah, so you can on the yellow you can do a little bit of that Payne's gray, lavender, yes, leaves.
Okay.
See, like that, you
Both
can do.
side.
Yeah, this side where it is yellow, so it should not look ki alag sa hai. Yellow should look the peeping color. Vidya, show. Nice. Vidya, which sheet are you using?
This one, Chitrapat green.
Chitrapat 440.
Like,
Okay. Yeah, good only.
I think 300 or I don't know.
270 it is. I think the normal one is 270.
No, no. No, not the book. I have pushed.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yeah, I use for the Puja's class.
Mm-hmm. Arpita, show. Okay. So you spread it down, and yeah, thoda sa strokes, the leaf strokes in the left side. Leaf stroke, just a casual stroke, left side of the tree. Is it coming?
Brown आपने यहाँ भी दिया.
Left and right. Left and right. This side, both the sides. Now I'll show one with to how you spoil it. You feel I have spoiled, तो उसको कैसे ठीक करना है, and वो भी I'll show you once. But let this get dry. I'll show the other one. Can I start another one?
Ma'am, what tree on the left?
Sorry?
Left side of the tree branches.
हाँ, उसमें भी वो है, branches scrape out किया हुआ है. Can you see this?
Scrape है.